What's up YouTube? This is Matt from Tech by Matt. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my entry for the wall mounted headphone stand that's being held by My Mini Factory, Linus Tech Tips, and Silverstone. Saw this, I thought that it seemed pretty cool, and I thought that I'd like to make an entry because I've made other headphone stands in the past. I even have a video of one that I built if you want to go ahead and check that out. But I thought this was a pretty cool contest, so what I did was I first just loaded up SketchUp and played around until I got a design that I liked. The biggest challenge with designing something that's wall mounted, in my opinion, is hiding the screws that it takes to mount it to the wall. So really when you're doing that, what you need is a bracket that mounts to the wall, and then the piece that will come and cover it that will hold the headphone itself. So that's what I decided to do. I went into SketchUp and I made a design with a bracket and then the piece that the headphones will actually go onto. So here's the bracket right here. It's about 2.5 inches by 3 inches, and it's got 2 mounting holes that are inset, so if the screws were to stick out a little bit, it wouldn't really matter what type of screws you used. And then also I have the part that will slip onto it and hold the headphones themselves. And I've tested this fit and it seems to work pretty well. Once I had the design that I liked in SketchUp, I just double checked and make sure that all the measurements and stuff lined up, and also I'm not really trained in 3D design at all, so I don't know that much about tolerances and what they should be, so I kind of just went with my gut. I have a little bit experience with designing and 3D printing, but I don't have any formal training at all. Once I decided it was the design that I liked, I loaded it up into XYZware, which is the proprietary software for the XYZ printing DaVinci 1.0, and I sliced it all out. For the bracket portion of it, I went with a 20% infill because I knew this would probably have to be a little stronger, and it was also a lot less material. But for the part that holds the headphones itself, I only went with a 5% infill because it was going to be using a lot more plastic. And overall it used about 20 meters of plastic. And if you're getting the plastic at $20 a roll, that's about $1 worth of plastic. So it's really not that much for a headphone stand in my opinion. Now it took about 4 hours total between the bracket and the part that holds the headphones themselves to print, which really isn't that bad. I printed both at I think 0.3 resolution to save time as opposed to 0.2 or 0.1. And the prints turned out pretty good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys me mounting it to a piece of wood to show that it works. There you go guys, there's the working model, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like. And this is Matt from Tech by Matt, signing out.